we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Auertech space heater with humidifier and LED light. Consists of the following features: 3-in-1 heater and humidifier combo. This space heater with humidifier delivers fast, powerful warmth while releasing a gentle cool mist to prevent dry air. Featuring a 0.11 gallon or 14 ounces built-in water tank, it provides up to 3 hours of continuous humidification, helping maintain comfortable indoor humidity during dry winter months, ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. Adjustable mist light for personalized ambience. The mist outlet features adjustable LED lighting, allowing you to customize the glow to match your mood or room decor. Whether you prefer a soft night light or a warm ambient glow, the illuminated mist adds a relaxing, modern touch while enhancing your overall heating experience. Realistic 3D flame atmosphere, designed for both comfort and style. This heater's for indoor use large room features a lifelike 3D flame effect that creates a cozy fireplace-style ambience. The soft glowing flame enhances your space visually while heating, making it perfect for winter evenings or seasonal decor. 1500 watt fast heating with wide oscillation, powered by a high-efficiency PTC ceramic heating system. This electric heater warms up in just seconds. The 120 degrees oscillation evenly distributes heat across rooms up to 350 square feet. Choose from high, 1500 watt, low, 750 watt, or fan-only mode for flexible, year-round comfort. Advanced safety protection. Built with V0 flame retardant materials, this tower space heater includes 45 degrees tip-over protection and overheat protection. After being turned off, the room heater continues running for 30 seconds for internal cool down, providing added safety for families with children and pets. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.